Hello everyone, it's me, Dr. Pasta. Welcome to a 2026 reaction. So I'm gonna be reacting to a Ytp Free Birds. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy my reaction on my Windows 7 laptop. Damn. Hey, free beer!
We're going back in time.
Damn, that's a bad
I was about to become dinner.
dinner.
Let's go! We're going
Back in time to the first Thanksgiving.
into divorce. That's the girl who's getting a divorce. That's General Sagan. He's getting a divorce.
Wow, everyone's getting divorced.
She's General Sagan.
Damn, she is.
Do not make a sound.
Who you? Hey, free beer!
We must do it together.
What? Damn, turkey stuffing a turkey!
Whoa! Turkey porn!
Damn, he said the P word.
Hey, wait! It's me!
Brian, no! What?
That's right. We're furries. Who are you talking to? You. Hey!
What the hell?
Going back in time. That's right. It's called SAS.
Sus!
Control, we have a control.
Damn, he got.
Copy that. Copy that.
So, damn, it talks like a burp now. No.
Copy that. This is the first Thanksgiving. Yeah, that's right. Steve! Steve! Hey, how's it going?
It's Steve!
Funny.
Oh,
I brought you a gift.
damn, he told the gay up there.
I am gay.
That he's gay.
I have traveled in order to stop Thanksgiving and get Thanksgiving and give Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving and get Turksgiving and stop giving and fuck about turkeys. We
Damn.
want the food and storage. You want it? It's yours,
Damn.
my friend. As long as you're my friend.
You did it, Reggie. You saved us all.
Actually, I didn't save anyone. We made everything worse.
Damn. Wait, no, that's
Have you heard about the bird?
the birds. What? Damn. So, yeah, that was my Ytp giving the birds. Yeah. So, bye bye.